Here are some special aspects of endovascular repair of abdominal aortic aneurysm. Chimney stenting of renal artery while stent grafting of abdominal aortic aneurysm. Renal artery stenting, in which the proximal end of the stents stick out into the aorta above the level of the fabric in case of stent grafting of aorta, is known as chimney stenting, as the two stents together on either side has a semblance to the chimney. First segment of the stent graft does not have the fabric covering it. Radial strength of the renal stent is much more than that of the stent graft, so that it does not get crushed between the aortic stent graft and the vessel wall. Endoleak due to the renal stent can be avoided by using a covered stent for the chimney stenting of renal arteries. Contraindications for endovascular repair of abdominal aortic aneurysms or stent grafting. Thrombus in the landing site, especially the proximal landing site, is a contraindication for endovascular repair. Proximal landing site thrombus is likely to cause distal migration of stent graft. Infrarenal neck of 25 mm at least is ideal for stent grafting. Extensive calcification is also a contraindication for stent grafting.